Okay, so now I'm pulling away, I'm taking some turns. Okay, so now I'm turning to the right hand side, so I'm observing and indicating. But just look at my hands, the way that I'm steering and how carefully I'm controlling my accelerator. Okay, I'm going to go to second gear now. And again, I'm going to be observing and indicating to the right, checking my blind spot again, and I'm taking my turn to the right. Okay, so now if I was going to do that to the left hand side, let me quickly show how I would do it to the left. Okay, so now we're going to be going to the left hand side. So turn coming up, observing, indicating, blind spot again, and we're doing our turning to the left hand side. Okay, so my hands stay sort of in the 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock position, and my focus is really just controlling where my car is going. I'm just controlling where the car is going. Okay, very important, find a parking lot when you're learning to drive, and somebody that's patient that can go with you for practice. And then what you do is you just drive around in the parking lot and you just try and practice steering and pulling away and stopping, just that basic controls like I've showed you guys, how to do a pull away, how to stop. Now stop street coming up, I'm going to take the turn to the left hand side, so I'm checking, I'm indicating to the left. I'm going to start braking softly first, and then my clutch goes all the way in and I bring my car to a complete standstill. I put up my handbrake and I put my gear back into first gear, getting my clutch control, full observation, and handbrake down. And then I'm taking my turn to the left and I'm checking my left blind spot, and there I go. Okay, now I'm going to be observing and indicating to the right for the traffic circle, because I'm going to go around this circle. Check there, I'm staying in my lane. And I'm going to go right. This car must wait for me. People don't follow the rules in our country. Checking the blind spot. There we go. All right, now as I go down this road, I'm going to keep it here to the right hand lane. I think I'm going to go, actually let me go left. So I'm going to observe, I'm going to indicate to the left. I'm going to double check that blind spot and I lane changed. Second, it's a yield. Checking, is it safe? Checking my blind spot, and there I go. And I'm going to be going right at this robot coming up, so I'm checking and indicating to the right, checking my blind spot again, and I'm into this lane. And now you would have to observe and indicate again, because the indicator, I switched it off. Okay, I'm going to do my full check. It's my turn next, and then we're moving. So clutch is coming off softly and foot on the petrol, and now we're taking our turn to the right, checking the right blind spot, and as soon as I'm ready, I'm going to second gear. Okay, I should not really gear shift in a turn like that, but if you can control it, no one's going to ask questions. Don't rush yourself right now. We're only going to pull away. When the side robot goes orange, you can actually start clutching in first gear, feeling the biting point, full observation, and robot's green, and there I go. Now as I'm releasing my clutch, checking the blind spot, and my foot is softly on the petrol. Okay, now gear shifting on a downhill. I hope that helps you to pass your driving test with confidence. Now go outside and have a blessed day.